Today, I would like to share with you one of my favorite poems written by my close friend Shahzeena Fatima. She is such an amazing writer and I love to read her poetry. Let me start. Why can't I be with you? Why can't I be with you? She asked him. He heaved a sigh. My thorns will never let your roses to bloom. My thorns will never let your roses to bloom. My shine will never be able to kindle your light. My shine will never be able to kindle your light. My wilderness will never be happy to accompany your softness. My wilderness will never be happy to accompany your softness. My gaze will never allow me to dry up your tears. My gaze will never allow me to dry up your tears. For sunshine needs a sky. For every flower needs some water. For every soul needs some warmth. For every candle needs a flame. Like every heart needs a beat. Every eye needs a vision. And every lover needs a beloved. Every lover needs a beloved.